Hello, students. Today we are starting China. So we're going to be focusing on the geography so we know where we're talking about and what the geography was like for the people in ancient times. We're going to start off by opening our textbook. And we are only going to read a couple pages of chapter 19 because you guys will be doing a project with chapter 19, a fun little postcard project. So we're going to read today, we're going to read Geography in the Early Settlement of China. Then we're going to read the Overview of China's Geography, 19.2. And 19.2 has 2 pages. So we're going to be reading from 183 to 185. Okay, we're just reading those pages. You will be using the rest of the textbook to help you focus in on your project for this week, okay, depending on what you want to write about. So now let's go ahead and look at the project because I will be introducing that project today. So your project for this week is an Ancient China postcard project. And here is your assignment. So this is a geography postcard project. And you guys are going to, here's your assignment. To help you visualize the geography and the natural barriers of ancient China, you'll be creating 3 postcards about them. To begin, choose 3 locations from the chart below. For each location, find a picture to put on the front of your postcard. And then add your name and the landmark and location on the top of the image. On the back of each postcard, you're going to write a message to someone of your choice about the geographical landmark. Do some research, use your textbook, chapter 19, and include 3 facts about each location in your message. Finally, complete the address information and drag in a picture to use for a stamp. You might need to crop the photo to get it to fit correctly. So do your best, you guys. So here are your options. You're going to pick one of these 3 categories for China's geography. And then, so this is the front of your postcard. You're going to pick a picture. Now, how do you pick a picture with Cami? You're going to come down here, see where it says Add Media, and you're going to click Add Media, and then it gives you options. You can add media through a file, your computer, maybe you have some pictures, but you want the pictures to be significant to the area. You can go to your Google Drive, you can come down, and then at the bottom, you can go to actually, you're going to do a Google image search, and then you can put the media in your postcard. Then on this part of your postcard, this is where you are going to write your letter to your friend or family member about the location. Remember, you need to have at least 3 details or facts, it's right here, about the geographical. So now this is fictional. So you're going to pretend that you're living or you're visiting that area and you're going to write about it from your perspective. Okay, so you're like, if you are going to, let's say we're going to the Himalayas. I know that's not China, that's India, but you're going to be like, I had to wear so many jackets. It was freezing. The temperatures got below 19 degrees. And you're going to just put in the facts with your fictional letter to whoever you're writing to. And then right here, you can do a fake address, a real address. I'm the only one that's going to see this. And then once again, you're going to try to find a picture to post as a stamp that is significant for that area. All right. And you're going to do this for 3 locations. All right. And then once again, when you're done, you're going to submit. Okay. So I do want to show you a quick example, or I have a sample postcard posted right here that you guys can look at. And that is your project for this week. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Have a good day.